Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rumbai presenting to you the Salesian news across the globe. The journalism workshop entitled Good Writing Workshop was held on 26th October at the Salesian Seminary in Krakow, organized by Father Darius Bartocha, SDB, Delegate for Social Communication in the province of Krakow, PLS. The workshop for good scripture was attended by young people, lay people and Salesians from various communities in the PLS province, led by experts in artificial intelligence and personalities from the Catholic media. Organized over 3 sessions plus time for evaluation, the workshop was held with the aim of developing the journalistic and writing skills of the participants in order to increase their quality. Under the guidance of Maciej Kwarniski, Krzysztof Wensky and Father Joseph Kloch, they were introduced to the use of artificial intelligence, AI, tools such as ChatGPT, Canva and Claude, which can facilitate the creation of content and graphics, the importance of creating well-connected suggestions fundamental when working with AI tools. In subsequent meetings, participants will deepen their knowledge and additional skills. On 18th October at the Salesian Leon XIII College belonging to the province of Bogota, Colombia, COB, the first Entrepreneurial Association Fair was held, a place where ideas are converted into projects in the style of Don Bosco. The fair is the result of Salesian group work which promotes teamwork and service as a reflection of God's love among young people. From the beginning, we promoted Salesian youth leadership, encouraging our students to develop their talents in projects with Salesian values. Each group participated enthusiastically, applying collaborative work, critical thinking and communication skills to respond to the needs of the community, say the organizers. Entrepreneurship in the Salesian spirit is more than creating companies. It is a tool of service. Being a Salesian entrepreneur means having creativity, resilience and passion to transform the environment. Each group presented its own entrepreneurial projects, demonstrating that in this house we educate with our hearts. 5 years ago, the Don Bosco International Media Academy was inaugurated in Paris, offering training in cinematographic and audiovisual arts. On Saturday, 19th October, the first class of master's students received their degrees and showed the public their work after many years of training and apprenticeship. The graduation ceremony took place at the Les 7 Parisian Cinema in Paris, which sold out for the occasion. The audience was not there to see a recently released film, but to attend the screening of the films made by the students of the dbmnTv master's degree. This is a great achievement for these young people, who 5 years ago were the first students for the academy and who today are the first graduates of the European master's degree in cinema and audiovisual. The Salesian province of the Antilles, ANT, successfully held the 4th Salesian Edu Communication Conference from 25th to 27th October in Pinar Quemado, Jaraboca, with the theme Educating and Evangelizing in the Digital Environment. The event brought together educators, communicators and Salesian leaders, all committed to strengthening the mission of evangelization and education in the dynamic digital environment. Over the course of 3 days, the Congress offered a space for reflection and learning about the challenges and opportunities that the digital age presents for education and evangelization. As part of the event, the participants were welcomed by Father Jose Pastor Ramirez, ANT Provincial, who gave a warm welcome message to participants. Father Hugo Orozco, Regional Counselor for Inter-America, who encouraged the participants, and Sister Caserina Batista, Provincial of the FMA in the Antilles, who stressed the importance of integrating Salesian values into new media, spoke after him. Isabella Karamalak, a fourth semester student in advertising and propaganda, and Julia Pires, a sixth semester student in design, both from Don Bosco Catholic University, UCDB, took second and fifth place respectively in the Regional Awards category for South Cone America of the Don Bosco Global Youth Film Festival, DBGYFF 2024. The world-class Salesian Youth Film Festival served to celebrate youth creativity on global issues and rewarded those short films dedicated to climate change. Among the 10 winning films in the regional competition, screened in Rio de Janeiro on 17 to 18 October, the shorts by the two UCDB students were the only ones to represent Brazil. Julia Pires made the animated short film Seed of Hope as a project of the subject, illustration and animation. The film tells the story of a little bird in a forest threatened by deforestation and conveys a message of hope through the symbolism of a new seed. So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.